In the plant world, poisonous flowers aren't always apparent. Some of the most delicate ones are among the deadliest. Often disguised among the bright blooms and shiny foliage as innocuous garden guests, these plants contain poisons and neurotoxins that could paralyze and kill if wrongly handled, some figuring as deadly poisons in folklore. When certain parts of these flowers are ingested, even in small quantities, it can lead to unpleasant or even fatal side effects. Let's get started with top 5 poisonous plants. Water hemlock is a highly poisonous, upland plant commonly found along marshland and banks of streams, pools, and rivers. Considered the most poisonous plant in America, it contains toxic alkaloids that cause violent convulsions and seizures, sometimes taking as little as 15 minutes to take effect. Accidental ingestion of water hemlock is most often attributed to misidentification. Even brushing up against water hemlock can cause skin irritation. Quite similar to Queen Anne's lace, a harmless flower, it is important to identify the differences between the two. The stems of Queen Anne's lace are covered with hairs, while the stems of water hemlock are smooth and have splotches of purple. Known for their showy displays of cotton candy flowers, hydrangeas are poisonous to pets, but they must be consumed in very large quantities for it to lead to toxicity symptoms. All parts of the hydrangea plant contain amygdalin, a substance that when broken down, produces cyanide. Interestingly, smoking some varieties can lead to dizziness, heart rate increase, and feelings of getting high, with overconsumption leading to stomach and respiratory problems. As most people have the common sense not to smoke dry hydrangea leaves or flowers, they are not considered a dangerous threat. Foxglove is an enchanting, ephemeral flower often seen adorning informal or English garden paths, adding a quaint romanticism to places bereft of color. Despite its beauty, it contains poisons that can inflict treacherous harm. Poisonous to the touch, its toxins can be absorbed through the skin and cause an allergic reaction. All parts of the plant contain digitalis and other cardiac glycosides that can disrupt the heart when ingested. While foxglove has been used for medicine, self-medication is heavily discouraged. Foxgloves are a naturalized species that thrives in slightly acidic soil in partial shade. In some places, it is considered an invasive or weed species. The castor oil plant is an intriguing plant featuring dark, lobed foliage with a reddish tinge and spiky red flowers. The seeds of the castor oil plant contain ricin, one of the most poisonous substances in the world. While ricin has been used in experimental medicine to treat cancer, it mostly commonly figures in popular culture as a poisonous biological agent of which there is no antidote. It can be potentially made into a powder, mist, or pellet and disseminated through food, air, or water. 1 milligram of ricin in food or water can kill an adult. Labeled as the tree of death, the manchineel tree bears sweet-scented fruit resembling stunted apples, though taking a bite can prove fatal. An endangered species native to the brackish coastal waters of Florida, it is considered the most dangerous tree in the world. When it is raining, the milky sap of the manchineel tree leaches down, resulting in scalding skin irritations to any unlucky bystander. Simple contact with any part of the tree can cause breathing problems or even temporary blindness. The Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de Leon was allegedly killed by an arrow tipped with its poisonous sap. The fruits are the most obvious threat, resembling a small green crabapple, just 1 or 2 inches wide. The sweet-smelling fruits can cause hours of agony and potentially death with a single bite. This was our today's video. Thanks for watching.